Hi everyone, this is Nate at Laser Safety Certification. I just wanted to thank you for visiting us, and hopefully we can figure out whether or not you're in the right place for the services that we offer. So chances are at some point somebody probably told you that you need laser safety certification or training for lasers you have in-house, for the operators you have in-house, and the word OSHA comes up. If you've ever visited their website, just a quagmire of like unnavigatable specs and regulations and documents, and really hard to read, really hard to digest. The same thing goes for the ANSI standards. They're incredibly long and they're not in a trainable format. They're just not written that way. But luckily for you, we've done the work of going through those standards one by one and transforming them into an easy to read, easy to use online certification course. So that's what we do here at lasersafetycertification.com. We offer OSHA and ANSI compliant online same day laser safety certification. And, when you search that term, there's a ton of options out there. I'm not trying to sell you anything here, just trying to let you know what our services are. And maybe they're right for you, maybe they're not. There's a few other companies out there that do really intensive in-person training that's off-site, and they cost thousands of dollars, and they're only held a few times a year. And that just doesn't make sense to me, because if you hire on a new employee and they need to be certified, if you have to wait until next quarter to get them certified, you're still at risk for a long period of time of being on the hook for an audit, an inspection, or a fine. So that's why we chose to put our training online so that people can complete it the very same day. And then, how do you know if the person providing your certification is legit or not? There's a lot of empty About Us pages, or, they'll cite just like a holding company. So that's why I wanted to make this video, to explain who we are and why we're doing this. My background is in engineering. I have an optics degree, which is basically lenses and lasers for engineering. I worked at a variety of companies in that world, the first of which being defense lasers, helicopter mounted LiDAR systems. That was super cool. Then I worked for a consumer electronics manufacturer. It was more of a startup, trying to make laser projectors. Then when I left that company, I went to the Bay Area, to Silicon Valley, to work on autonomous vehicle lasers, specifically self-driving car LiDARs. That was super cool as well. And I got the idea for providing the service on the first day of my first job, because I walked into a conference room for laser safety training that was a hastily put together slide set, but it was presented by a PhD. And I realized, a lot of companies have lasers in house, but not every company has a PhD on staff. So that's where we got the idea to make laser safety certification online. So it took me a while to read through all of the OSHA and ANSI standards and transform them into all the courses that we offer. We have a really comprehensive offering now. With us, you can get laser safety certified for industrial lasers, material handling lasers, laser welders, laser cutters, engravers, anything industrial. We also offer cosmetic applications for laser skincare procedures, hair removal, tattoo removal, dentistry, and we offer healthcare laser safety certification as well. If you work in a big hospital that has rented equipment or your own equipment that's changing hands a lot, or if you work in a private practice and you just got a new laser device that you need certification on, we can do that too. So, in addition to online same day certification courses, we offer them in written and video format, depending on your preferred learning style. And the exams are not tricky, they're guided learning style. So it's impossible to fail. And we're not going to like charge you again if you don't get 100%. So try to be super ethical in that regard. And then we also have our kits, which is a physical product in the form of a binder and a USB, which is basically compliance in a box. It's everything you need to administer an in-house laser safety program. Really cost effective if you're at a large organization and you have the time or the human resources to designate a training person, an LSO, laser safety officer, to train as many people as you want. So that's a really nice resource as well. If you need something more custom for your compliance solution, you're welcome to give us a call anytime. We have a bunch of really successful partner programs with medium to large size organizations who need a more custom compliance solution or a bulk discount or really anything that you can think of. We're super creative with our customer support, and we're very agile and lean and can provide anything you can imagine. So, again, just wanted to thank you for stopping by. And if this is the right solution for you, you're welcome to check out our pages explaining every single course that we offer. And if you have any additional questions, we always answer the phone. So, thank you.